Everyone tells you the same thing. If you didn't start investing in your 20s, you're already behind. But that belief might be wrong, and most people never question it properly. The truth is that wealth is not mainly built early in life. The highest earning years for most people actually come between 45 and 55, not in their 20s. That means the moment you feel too late is often exactly when your financial power is at its strongest, even if it doesn't feel like it in the moment. Most people grow up hearing one rule repeated everywhere: start early, start young, don't wait or you'll miss your chance completely. And while that sounds logical, it creates a psychological trap that stops people from even considering starting later in life. Because they begin to believe time is the only real advantage in investing, when in reality it is only one part of a much bigger equation. The media reinforces this belief by constantly showing young success stories like 20-year-old millionaires who suddenly make it big. But those stories are chosen because they're exciting, not because they represent what usually happens in real life. What you don't see are millions of people who start at 35, 40, or even later, and still build solid wealth quietly over time. So many people reach 40 and feel like they are already behind in life, even though nothing about their financial situation is actually broken or unusual. They compare themselves to people who started decades earlier and assume the gap can never realistically be closed. But that assumption is based on perception, not on how wealth actually works in real life. Because wealth is not mainly built in your 20s, it is built during peak earning years when income becomes significantly higher and more stable. At 25, most people are still building careers and earning relatively low income, often focused on growth and experience instead of money. But by 45, income often looks completely different, with more stability, higher salaries, and stronger financial capacity. Many people actually reach their highest earning potential between 45 and 55, not early in their careers like most assume. That completely changes how investing should be understood, because investing is not just about time in the market over decades. It is also about how much money you are actually able to invest consistently every single month. Now imagine two people following completely different financial paths in life. One starts investing at 25 but can only invest small amounts for many years. The other starts at 40 but has a much higher income and can invest aggressively every month without extreme sacrifice. At first, the younger investor looks unbeatable because time feels like the most powerful advantage in investing. But that assumption ignores a critical part of real-world financial growth and compounding. If the 40-year-old invests 5 to 10 times more per month, the gap can shrink much faster than most people expect in practice. In some cases, depending on behavior and consistency, it can even close completely over time. Because investing success is not just about age or timing, it is about behavior under real financial pressure and income reality. And that behavior often changes significantly as people get older, more stable, and more experienced with money. Younger investors often react emotionally to market movements, especially during crashes or hype cycles in the market. They panic more easily, chase trends faster, and make impulsive decisions that hurt long-term returns without realizing it immediately. Older investors tend to behave differently, becoming more patient, more stable, and far more consistent over long time periods. And in investing, consistency often matters more than intelligence, strategy, or timing over decades of compounding. Another hidden factor is regret pressure, because people who start later often take investing more seriously from the very first day. Every decision feels more meaningful, which naturally reduces careless mistakes and increases long-term discipline. That discipline becomes a real advantage over time, because consistency is what actually drives wealth accumulation, not occasional perfect decisions. Now here is something most people completely miss about financial markets and timing behavior. Some of the strongest market growth periods do not happen when everything feels safe and stable. They happen during fear, uncertainty, and crisis, when most people hesitate and wait for clarity before acting. But by the time confidence returns and the situation feels safe again, a large part of the recovery has already happened. And that is exactly where many people miss opportunities without even noticing it. Missing just a handful of the best market days can drastically reduce long-term returns over decades of investing. And those best days almost always happen shortly after major downturns, when fear is at its highest level in the market. So waiting for certainty often leads to worse timing decisions, not safer or better outcomes in reality. Now imagine a 42-year-old sitting alone at a kitchen table at night, looking at bills but thinking even more about time than money. That feeling of being too late is not really about numbers, but about comparison, regret, and perceived lost time. But financial success is not about perfect timing or perfect decisions in life. It is about direction over time, and the ability to keep moving forward consistently despite uncertainty. You do not need to fix the past, you only need to change what happens next. The real risk is not starting late, it is never starting at all and letting another decade pass without any change. Now imagine he finally opens an investment account and sets up automatic monthly investing for the first time. Nothing changes immediately in his daily life, there is no instant reward or visible transformation at all. But psychologically, something fundamental shifts because he is no longer just thinking about investing, he is actually participating in it. That shift is often the real turning point where momentum begins in real financial life. Because wealth is not created in big dramatic moments, but in repeated behavior that compounds quietly over long periods of time. Small actions repeated consistently month after month and year after year are what eventually create meaningful financial change. And here is something most people never realize when they think about investing and wealth building. A large portion of wealth growth actually happens later in the investing journey, not at the beginning when everything feels slow. The early years often feel invisible, but over time consistency starts to compound and results become more visible and powerful. That is the moment when patience finally turns into something real and measurable in life. So if you are 40 today, you are not at the end of the story or anywhere near finished yet. You are in a phase where your actions still have a very real and measurable impact on your future outcome. Not because time is unlimited, but because time is still working in your favor if you act consistently. And in the end, the market does not care when you started investing in life. It only cares about what you decide to do from this point forward. Disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. All opinions, analyses, and statements expressed are based on personal experience, personal research, and publicly available information and are subject to change without notice. No guarantee is made regarding the accuracy, completeness, or reliability of any information presented. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, or any other financial instruments involves substantial risk and may result in the partial or complete loss of capital. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Nothing on this channel should be interpreted as a recommendation, solicitation, or endorsement to buy or sell any securities or financial products. All investment decisions are made solely at your own risk and responsibility. Viewers should conduct their own independent research and consult with a licensed financial advisor, tax professional, or legal advisor before making any financial decisions. The creator of this channel assumes no liability for any financial losses, damages, or other consequences arising directly or indirectly from the use of the information provided in this content.